low-key be butt because of all the wind.
It's okay, it's aesthetic. It's aesthetic, isn't it? It is.
This is so fire, like, actually.
Just gotta laugh. Walk nonchalant.
Yes, yes, yes. Wait, did you just flip me off? Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, God. Cooked. Oh, it's real loud over here.
Oh my God. So cold.
It's a little chilly. You're so nonchalant. It's so cold. Wait, this is so like mermaid core. Oh my God.
Yo, my skirt is wet.
Oh God.
It didn't work out. It's like I pissed myself. I did not piss myself.
Oh wait.
I remember one time I was out here with my friends when I was really young, and this scuba diver came out of the water with a full sandal and he gave it to me.
Oh, that's really nice. Wait. I don't know how to work this thing, but it's okay.
Can you hold my phone? Yes.
We're meant to dig for seashells in the ocean.
Wait, I look, you should have just taken my shorts off.
Oh my gosh, how are y'all doing this? It's cold.
I look, you might go take my shorts off because it's not too far.
I don't know what I found.
Oh,
What is that?
I think it's a part of a snail. It died.
what?
No.
Oh.
You could throw it into the sea. Just get that couple right there.
Do you not care to hold shorts?
No.
Okay, well I want you to hold the camera really quick.
Okay.
I also have my phone in here. Can you put it in your pocket?
Yeah. My girl! It's my girl!
Now my shorts are wet and I'm scared that. Never mind. She's
stripping!
She's stripping!
She's stripping! She's stripping! Take a dance! Take a dance! Thank you for
It's so cute.
I got wet. I'm gonna not do anything. Want to pan over? Yes! Oh shoot. Wait, how do I do this? A shark tooth? What? Oh, I love that. That is so cute.
Guys, what a freak look at this baby one. It's like literally, what is that?
Wait. Oh, what is that? What happened? Oh my God, her shorts are so wet.
But it's so... No! She walks on without a care in the world.
Yeah. Oh, oops. Why are you so far out there, boy? Oh my god. Holy crap!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. They for real in it. Ooh.
Okay.
What the? Oh, we're taking her photo? Yes, yes, yes. I can't zoom in that far. Why is she going? Okay, she's going really far out there. Oh! Don't fall! Oh, she in it.
Are you playing in the water?
Yes, she's so cute. Why is she low key in it? I'm gonna be in the pit. In the pit. Wait, how do I do this? Okay, there we go. Oh wait. Wait. There's Anne. Oh wait, over there. And we are at St. Andrews Park in Florida. Panama City? I don't think so. But St. Andrews. Were you low-key in it? Yes, yes, yes.
I'm in the healing.
I'm not walking all the way to Pier Park, but that's city all the way in the back.
I know.
Oh, what is that? What is that? Two.
The beetle.
What kind of beetle?
I don't know.
What's that?
Stink bug maybe?
Yeah, what
That
if
is not a stink. Wait, it might be.
What if he stink on you for real?
Stinky bug. Don't let him get near you guys. He stinks. Yeah. No, it's about to start flying.
What?
What?
Why are you coming towards me, bruh? What is that? A what?
What the heck?
It's a Tatira.
Is it dangerous?
It's gonna kill us all.
Oh no.
No, it's not. Go ahead.
He's stuck?
Venomous. Oh well, buddy.
I don't know,
you
I
got
don't know
that.
Bye, little thing. You my little thing. Yeah. What up, Christina? Well, you can see yourself. Yes, yes, yes.
I just went upside down for a second.
Selfie time.
Yes, I wanna go first though.
Yo, what? It's chilly?
What?
Yo, what? The water is so clear.
Chill.
Oh shoot, but it Loki got that tide, bruh. And look, it's really blue. Oh my goodness gracious, that is gorgeous. I don't even know if you can see it on the screen. It might just look like a white blur. But there's Anne. Yes, yes, yes.
I got this one, still
And then there's Natalie looking for seashells. Because the water is so clear. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my fit is fantastic! Oh my god, my fit is fantastic!
It is fantastic.
Oh no. What do you do?
The water keeps going in my butt.
Oh.
Me too, I feel it.
Hello.
I can't stop doing that.
It's like an addiction.
What? Eat it.
Whoa. Blue one. Blue one.
Oh my god, my fit is fantastic. Oh
Would you guys eat the snails inside of these?
Heck no.
No?
$10.
Like snails in France or something?
What is that?
A shell.
Let me see.
Y'all can feel me next.
I got okay.
There you go.
Sorry, I thought I should say that. What do you want to do? We do not want to walk to Pier Park. Whoa.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wash it off.
Pretty interesting.
really cool. We finna go back.
I thought you put that shell down the tank. Oh my
I love that you do that.
I'm kind of blinded by the sun right now.
No, it's okay.
Isn't that a song?
What?
Isn't that a song?
What song?
Like being blinded by the sun, isn't that a type of song?
Maybe?
Might be. Don't take my word for that. I'm digging my butt right now.
I'll start taking your bite.
Whoa! I thought you
Yes.
said
There are a lot of really cute ones.
I said that right next to people.
They're so cute. I love my friends. I don't know if you can lean back. Wait, let me turn this around. Ooh. Oh wait, yeah. Well, Christina was there. Oh.
Behind and behind you.
Yes, yes, yes. Shell searching. So cute, so cute. Who is that? I know the Yowie. Well, I know what Yowie is, but what is the...
Chuzai, my two favorite characters.
Oh.
Chuzai?
Is that Chuya and Gaza?
Yes! Oh my gosh!
I was thinking about it. I was like, yes! Oh my god, yes!
No.
Yes! Oh my god.
Yowie lovers.
Stop my god. No one knows this was her dog.
Yeah, I only watched like the first season though.
We watched
Anne-Marie, love Yowie, and Yuri.
Wait, let me get out there so we can get a full picture. I'm gonna go dig in that sand. Start digging in the sand, twin.
She's low-key like, I feel like,
hold me in your back pocket.
I feel like I'm recording my wife at the beach and this will be the last recording of her like ever.
Yes, I need to call.
No, it's okay.
I like my shells.
Wait, yes.
Oh, that one's pretty.
I like
This
that
one's
one.
like literally Avery.
Oh, are you calling me a ginger?
No.
I'm kidding.
We haven't fixed our idea.
Yeah?
Okay, we're gonna do like two people walking. Oh my god,
Oh, wait, what's that one Vine go like where it's like, I'm walking in the sand and I look to the right of me and there I see another another pair of footprints and I knew the whole time Jesus was next to me and the girl like next to her was like, my name's Anne. What happened?
Yo, what the?
Did you fall?
No. She fell and then I stepped behind. I was like,
Oh, I see what happened now.
oh nah,
Boy, she's so mystical, magical. Like that mystical, magical.
Hey guys, why is it stuck in my earring?
This would have been so cool if it wasn't broken in half.
Oh yeah. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. B-E-H-R-I-C-T.
Is this for Merritt Brown? Yes, oh my god. I remember that cheer team.
Oh goodness, yeah.
In it.
I know you was in it.
Yeah.
I've been claiming it as my own.
Whose footsteps am I walking?
Ants. There's no more.
What the
You can walk in Mia's footsteps. Follow in her footsteps. I'll follow in like Anne's like sandy footsteps. Wait, how'd she walk like that? Oh shoot. Oh my god, wait, where did her footsteps go?
Bro, where are they walking?
Wait, they kind of remind me of like Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
Because she's wearing green and Natalie's taller than. Wait, Alvin, Simon, and Theodore? Or should it be Theodore? No, wait, Simon, Alvin, and Theodore. Like Mia is Simon, or should she be Alvin?
Wait, no. Mia should be Alvin, Simon, Theodore.
Yeah. Okay. I'm really scared how this audio is gonna turn out because it's so freaking windy right now. Holy crap. Oh my god, the wind is gonna drive me crazy. It's really pretty. Yes. I'm running. I'm running. This is my mom. I'm coming up with my mama. What up? Yes. Nothing. I just wanted to see what's happening.
Wait, let me see.
What's in it? Why is it fake?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know. These are the real ones though.
It is pretty.
These fake ones. He literally like, what do you call it? Tricked me.
Like fool's gold.
Yes, bro. It's freaking catfish me. Why did I get catfish by shell?
You're gonna get catfish. I'll smoke it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what is that?
Freaking fire, bro.
What is that?
Is it a bug? Keep it a bug. Why are you scared?
I
hate bugs.
That kind of hurt.
Okay, guys.
Gotta like get it in there.
Ready?
I'm not ready for you. My stick ain't burning.
There's actual like fire on the side where I am. Like there's like a legit flame right there.
We're all just ignoring it. I'm scared. Bruh. Get on my...
Yeah, on my day.
What? Yeah, wait,
What are you talking about?
You're the one that said that.
Why is it low-key shaking?
Okay, guys, ready? Set.
Picture.
Oh, this is so bad. Wait, I gotta get more.
How do I take it? How do I make a picture noise?
We're starting to light everything.
Yes, it was very tough. They're starting the fire again.
Starting a fire.
I'm starting even worse fire. Dude. Oh my gosh. Yo.
How did you start it again?
That's a great question, actually.
I had a discard of my previous stick.
Your wand?
I discarded it. So bad if I were to. Oh yeah, mine got a curve too.
Yo, I'm a wizard. Alright, buddy.
Mine, baby.
Yo, let's throw this at your head. It's gonna land in your eye.
Abracadabra.
Oh,
Dang. Mama, that's dang.
Ow, mama, that burn.
Mama, that's dang. We're back.
Mama da burn.
Getting my suppress done. Ow, mama,
Mama da burn.
You know, somehow start fire again.
That's like something stabbed me in the butt cheek. Like that down.
that burn. Sorry.
Oh, good. See, you get no.
Uh-oh.
You sat down there.
Uh-oh.
Bro, you get it.
I put at 3%. 3%?
What are you talking about?
So y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. I
No,
just
I
thought
know
it
what
was
you're
insane.
talking about. Hi, Anne-Marie. Hi, Anne-Marie.
Where? Oh, I see. Wow, that looks scary on this.
And you're so shy.
Oh my god, you look like an entity.
Trying to get out. The whole thing, bro. The baby's trying to get out.
Yes, like actually. Like the boiled one? Oh, yes.
Oh. You're getting pissed.
Oh. Wait. Alright.
You're getting caught.
I don't know how this works. Yeah. Wait, yes!
What is happening?
No, it looks
What
really
is
good.
up,
Here.
guys, can I see?
Yeah, let me turn it around. Let me flip it. Why are you mogging?
I'm not mogging.
Yes, Mia.
Mia's
So
mogging
cute.
right now.
Yes. Christina, come here.
Christina Mog. Ooh.
Yes. Look maxing. Everybody is look maxing. Yes. Oh my god, it looks really good. I like the flash on this camera.
Wait, but what?
No, this was the experiment.
Oh.
I'm just trying to see, like, I want to see, how do I look? Oh, wait, how do I angle it? Yeah. We're so cute. Wait. I'll screenshot that. Because I don't know how else to, like, do stuff.
There's another one starting.
Why can't we put it out with some water, bro?
Because
We have the hose. It does?
Water?
Water?
I thought it was blowing it out makes it bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is the other way around.
You know what? Let's see.
That's out. Okay.
Where's the water?
Her.
Yeah, I'm gonna Is that you, Avery? Hold on.
That was me. You look, you're a firefighter.
Oh, yes.
That looks dope, yeah.
Is it actually?
Wait.
That's dope.
Why did Ann just pull a now you see me, now you don't?
Bro, I love that movie. Why is it coming in this direction?
Now you have soggy wood.
Yes.
It's okay.
Okay, boy.
Y'all hear it sizzling?
Yes. Oops.
Every time I put the water.
Wait. Look, he messed up.
Wait, with the fog background?
Is it tough? Ann is so tough
Backdrop.
right now.
Yes.
Ann looks dancing, guys.
Yes.
Bruh, if I could throw in a circle right now, y'all would be so jealous.
I can't. Buddy, what are you looking up at? Oh!
I can only do it on the floor.
Oh,
I'm
my shadow.
ready for this right now.
I can do it, bro. You just gotta
I can only throw it in a circle when I'm on the floor.
Do it right now.
I'm not getting down dirty.
Yes, Anne.
Whoa!
Yes, and by Ariana. Wait.
Well, yeah, by Ariana.
And say that shit with your chest.
She sings that song.
Yes, Ariana.
Ariana. I did.
Why are we like Sam and Colby right now?
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Did you see that?
Quiet right now.
Oh my god!
What's happening?
If you drink the Among Us potion at 3 a.m.
I think I know it.
Do you remember that guy named
What is it? What's
J Station? I think.
Arcade.
J Station. He had like the gay Kermit potion or whatever.
That's like the YouTube name.
I think that's the guy. He goes, you drink the Among Us potion at 3 a.m. I don't know what else.
Have you seen him go to the like?
What is up, you do? Guys, I'm a little thirsty.
Let's go get some water. Thank you for saving me.
I was so thirsty. This fan is so low. I feel like
Oh, you look scary.
Oh.
No, not like bad, but like it was red. Oh, there's something on my lens. I will.
The haunted house, 1932.
1932. A mobile home made in like 2020. Huh?
I have your flip-flop.
My flip-flop?
Yeah, boy.
Yes.
I took up the mat up there, so the wooden sections are like crazy slippery.